Hello and welcome for a new video. So this is the mural I'm creating for Hanami, which is the cherry blossom festival in Japan, as you might already know, and as you can guess if you see the template. So I just wanted to recreate a bit the mood that you can feel when you are there during this season. So everyone is having kind of picnic and drinks in gardens and close to the cherry blossom trees. This very special blue kind of outside carpet, as you could see. It's very specific in Japan. And I added a few more micro animation. Maybe you might see some fish are moving and even some birds. It was quite fun to do this. And of course you can find again my famous squirrel. I added some Japanese symbol here and there, and you can find a robot as well. And yeah, that's basically it. There's no really storytelling behind this, it's just a kind of contemplation, I would say, as Japanese like to do. And I put some panels so we can use it to write instruction, to use it as a normal whiteboard, as well. So yeah, I hope you like it, and see you soon.